Hello dear people, welcome back. This question is from GATE 2011 exam. It is for 1 mark. They have given you activity M1, M2 and M3. Question is which protocol is used for these activities. M1 is send an email from a mail client to a mail server. Suppose this is the sender and that one is the receiver. Sender wants to send some email to the receiver. Step 1 will be send that email to your own mail server. Okay, this is your email server. So for sending email from here to here, the protocol that is used, it is SMTP. SMTP is a push protocol. So you are pushing email onto this server. Okay. So answer for M1 is SMTP. Okay. Simple mail transfer protocol. Then M2 is download an email from mailbox server to a mail client. That means for this transaction, the receiver wants to download all the emails that it has received. Okay. So for pulling emails, the protocol is IMAP. So for M2 the protocol that can be used is IMAP 4 or POP 3. Okay. See, both of these protocols, they are used for receiving emails. Then activity M3 is checking email in a web browser. Whenever you are using web browser, emails are shown as web pages. Okay, some web page will be designed on which email and all of its attachments are visible. For example, you are opening Gmail on Google Chrome. Okay, so in that case, all the text that is in the email as well as the images, they are transferred over HTTP protocol. So for this one, the protocol that is used for M3, we are using HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Okay. Anyways, now I've just told you the answers. I haven't explained anything because I've explained all of these things in a question from GATE 2019 exam. Mostly it's same except for this third point. Okay. Anyways, I'm attaching that video solution of question from 2019. Just have a look if you want to know more details about these things. Okay. Question reads, which of the following protocol pairs can be used to send and retrieve emails in that order? Okay. So they have given you these 4 options. Now in the 4 options, these are the 4 protocols that they're talking about. First one is SMTP or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. This is used for pushing emails. Suppose this is the sender and this one is its mail server. Similarly, here we have receiver and its mail server. Okay. Sender is going to use SMTP protocol to push the email to its server. Suppose you are the sender and you are using Gmail. You will use SMTP protocol to push email to Gmail server. Okay. Then suppose this is maybe Yahoo server. The receiver's email is something@yahoo.com. This server is also going to push the email using SMTP protocol. Okay. So here SMTP is used as well as here also SMTP is used. See, what is the common thing in both of these connections? The sender always assumes that receiver is active 24/7. Suppose at 10 PM you decided to write some email and you just press send button. You are assuming that this server is active 24/7. It's a server. It has to be active all the time. Okay. So immediately your email will be pushed onto the server. Similarly, this server also assumes that other server will be active 24/7. Okay. So immediately this one will push the email to other mail server. Okay. But now things will change. This mail server cannot believe that receiver will be active 24/7. Both of these are end users. Okay. They can be active like for 1 or 2 hours in a day or maybe once in a week, who knows. So this mail server cannot push the email as soon as it is received. Okay. That means the protocol that was used here and here cannot be used in this connection. Okay. So here we have 2 protocols, namely IMAP 4 and POP, that is POP version 3. Okay. So it is IMAP or POP 3. These days we don't use this post office protocol. we have an advanced version of this protocol only. That means the task is same, but we have a lot of new features in IMAP. Okay, IMAP version 4. Okay, see, here we are kind of uploading data. Here also we are uploading data. Push. But here we are downloading data. That means whenever receiver wants that data, only at that time data will be pulled. Here we were pushing, and here we are pulling. Okay. So for sending, SMTP is used. For receiving, POP3 or IMAP is used. Let us see which option is correct. For sending, SMTP is used means option B or option D can be the answer. For receiving, IMAP and POP3 is used. That means option B can be rejected. And answer is option D. Okay. So this is your answer. Now they're also discussing about MIME in the options. Okay. We have MIME. Multimedia Internet Mail Extension. What is MIME? MIME is not used for sending or receiving emails. MIME is actually used for encoding data. See, SMTP protocol was developed for only text. That means in email, when this protocol was developed, we only wanted to send text, that too in English only. But soon we felt a need that we want to share images and audio files, etc. over email. So MIME comes to rescue. Using MIME, we can convert images into text, and that can be sent over this existing protocol only. Okay. Now this SMTP will think that actually we are sending text, but an image will be encoded as a text. Okay. So you're sending image, but SMTP feels it is text. Okay. So it can be sent. And these two I've discussed already. And if you want to know more detail about these three protocols, then already I've uploaded a video in which all of this is discussed in a great detail. That means here we have a MTA, that is mail transfer agent, and a user agent. Okay. Here also we will have a MTA. For this connection, there will be one MTA here and one MTA here. Similarly, for this connection also we'll have a pair of MTAs. But for this connection, we will have MAA, that is mail access agent. Okay, so why is it so? Why are we using MTAs here and MAA here? All of that is discussed in theory lectures. So I hope you have understood this question, and I hope you have a great day. Okay.